Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the interior angle of a polygon are in AP. So, they are talking about a polygon and they are talking about its interior angle, and those angles are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degree. So, smallest angle is 120 degree and the common difference is 5 degrees. So the next angle would be 125 degree, then we have 130 degree, then we have 135 degree, and things will keep on going. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So you have to find out the number of sides. Okay, so look at this idea how we will proceed. So my point is, like, we have to find out the sum of the angles. Okay, so I feel that, can I write, just observe this idea, sum of angles of polygon is equal to sum of angles of polygons. Okay, we can write down this thing. Now look at this how we will proceed. So my idea is, you know that, like, in childhood days we have solved this problem where we are trying to find out the sum of angles, and we have studied that it is n into, sorry, it is n minus 1 n minus 2 into 180. Okay, like it was 180 n minus 2, where n represents the number of sides. You can apply this idea over triangle is having 3 sides. 3 minus 1 will become 3 minus 2 will become 1. 1 into 180 will become 180. So the sum of angles of a triangle is 180, correct? And if you will talk about quadrilateral, you have to place 4 in place of n, so it will become 360 degree. Okay, so this idea is correct. Now here also we will apply the same logic and assume that there are n sides, so there will be n angles. So the sum of n angles would be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is the thing. Now look at this how we will proceed. So we will multiply both side by 2, so it will become 360 n minus 2, and it will become 240 plus 5n minus 5, correct? Now, so it is 360n, this is 720, and this thing will come this side, so it will become 235 plus 5n. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now what we have to do, we will n why, acha, okay, we did mistake. It has to be multiplied by n, it has to be multiplied by n. Okay, so it is 235 n plus 5n square. So this is the correct thing. Okay, now we will send everything that side, so we will have 5n square. This 360 will go that side, and we have already 235. Okay, so 65 is there, and then we have 60, so it is 125n plus 720. If you'll observe, we can divide both sides by 5, so we have n square minus 25n plus 1 to 144. Okay, now you have to simplify things. So look at this how we will break this 144. So suppose that 144 is divided into 12 into 12, then 4 3 4 3. we have to reach 25. So 4 fours are 16. 16 and 9 will become 25. So this is correct. So n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144. So can I write n minus 16, n minus 9, and can I say that n is equal to 9 or 16? So one of the answer is correct. Okay. So what I will do, I will find out the ninth term of this series and 16th term of this series. So a9 will become what? A plus 8d, है ना? So 8 into 5. So it is 40. So it is 160. 160 is valid. Then we will go with a16. So again it will become a plus 15d. So 15 into 5. So it is 75. So it will become 195. So they are saying that, and these are internal angle. Na? So can you draw an angle having this much value? No, you cannot draw. You cannot draw beyond 180 degree. Correct? So this is invalid. So the correct answer is 9. Okay. So the number of sides of the polygon is 9. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.